Static and dynamic IP addressing. Static IP address is an address that doesn't change or is permanent. Dynamic IP address is an address that changes from time to time. In this video, I will show you how to set a static and dynamic IP address. These are the steps in setting a static IP address. First, type Control Panel on the Windows search bar. Second, if your Control Panel tab is not viewed by category, change it to category, then click Network and Internet. Third step is to select Network Sharing Center option. After selecting the Network Sharing option, you can now view your active connection. The fifth step is to select Change Adapter Settings. Next is to select your active connection. The seventh step is to right-click or double-click on the active network and select Properties. And because I am using Wi-Fi to connect my device into a network, I will select Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP/IPv4. The ninth step is to click Use the following IP address and use the following DNS server addresses. And you can now assign a permanent address for your computer. The subnet mask is automatically assigned after assigning the IP address, and in this case it is Class C. Then type the default gateway. Do not forget to add the router's IP. And finally, select OK. To view the changes, you just have to type CMD in the Windows search bar. Click Command Prompt and then type ipconfig. And here you will see your assigned IP address. In setting a dynamic IP address, you just have to repeat the first 8 steps in setting a static IP address. The ninth step is to click Obtain IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. And finally, select OK. To view the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server that is automatically set by the DHCP server, again, you just have to type CMD, click Command Prompt, then type ipconfig, and there you will see the changes.